Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Catalyst, your go-to channel for all things computer science. I'm Sayon, and today we are diving deep into the different types of computer networks. We'll explore LAN, WAN, MAN, and PAN. So, let's get started. In the previous video, we discussed what a computer network is. Just to recap, a computer network is a group of interconnected devices that can communicate and share resources. But not all networks are the same. They vary based on size, range, and purpose. Now, first let's talk about LAN, Local Area Network. A LAN is a network that spans a relatively small area, like a single building or a campus. It's commonly used in homes, schools, and offices. LANs are designed to be able to resource sharing like files and printers and to facilitate communication among devices within the same physical area. One of the main advantages of LANs is their high data transfer speeds, thanks to the close proximity of the devices. Additionally, they are relatively inexpensive to set up and maintain. However, they are limited by distance, and expanding a LAN beyond its typical range can be challenging. Now, next move on to wide area networks. Next up, we have got wide area networks or WANs. A WAN covers a much larger geographical area compared to a LAN. It can span cities, countries, or even continents. The internet is the largest example of a WAN. WANs are essential for connecting remote locations and allowing them to communicate and share data. They use technologies like leased lines, satellite links, and public networks to cover long distances. Because of their complexity and scale, WANs are usually more expensive and require more sophisticated management compared to LANs. Now, let's discuss Metropolitan Area Network, known as MAN. A MAN is a network that spans a city or a large campus. It's larger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN. MANs are designed to cover areas like cities or large universities. MANs are typically used by organizations that need to connect multiple buildings within a city. They can provide a high speed network access and are often managed by a single entity, like a company or an ISP. One common technology used in MANs is a fiber optic cables, which offer high data transfer rates over long distances than the traditional copper cables. This was all about MAN. Next, we move on to PAN. So, lastly, we have got personal area networks. A PAN is a network for personal devices, usually within a range of a few meters. Examples include the connection between your smartphone and your Bluetooth headphones, or between a laptop and a wireless mouse. So, basically, PANs are designed for short range communication and are typically used for connecting devices that belong to a single user. They use technologies like Bluetooth and infrared. While PANs are convenient for personal use, their limited range and data transfer speeds make them unsuitable for larger networks. Now, to recap today, we covered four main types of computer networks, that is LAN, local area network, that's small high speed networks within a building or a campus. Next, we covered WAN, wide area network, large networks spanning cities, countries, or continents. Next, we covered MAN, metropolitan area network, networks that cover a city or a large campus. Next, we covered PAN, Personal Area Network, short range networks for personal devices. So that's all for today's video on the types of computer networks. I hope you find it informative. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Code Catalyst for more in depth content on computer networks. And don't forget to hit the ball icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next video where we'll talk about network topologies. Until then, happy learning.